Hey guys, just want to do a little update video on the Vp44 engine we're putting together. I know there's been a couple builds that we started and then never finished. It's a time constraint thing, so it's hard. As it stands right now, it's really hard for me to be able to sometimes be able to set the time to do the videoing. And if two of the engines weren't my engines, I wasn't even assembling them, so they got assembled and we didn't video it. So it is what it is. I can't be in two places at once. But anyways, I'm trying not to do that. So I have pulled a couple videos down because of that. But I will do those videos. It's just that when I do the engine myself. So the Vp44 engine, we got the head all done. So we seated it, guided it. We had to put a couple seats in it because there was a couple seats that were no good. It's surfaced, so I got it sitting here at the mill, and that head's no good. That one needs to be surfaced and then O-ringed. But I got a bunch of heads that I got to O-ring, so I got to get after that. I got this one. I got 4 6-liter heads that I got to O-ring. I got these 2 Duramax heads that I got to O-ring, and then I got a 12 valve to O-ring, and I have one to fire ring. So I got lots of stuff to do with all the stuff that I got going on. But anyways, Vp44 head, I'm going to O-ring that, assembling the head, and then I will be the crankshaft. The pistons are out getting coated because customer wanted the pistons coated, and the crankshaft is out being balanced. Hopefully we'll have the crankshaft back next week sometime. I dropped it off at the balancers. We had to have that one ground because there was some problems with the #1 main journal. So we got it ground 1010. As soon as it's balanced, we'll get that thing back and we'll start building that. Or I'll get it finished assembled. Basically, as soon as I have, the block is ready, the rods are ready, the camshaft we're reusing because it was a stage 3 Colt cam that was in it. The head will be ready this week, so I'm going to O-ring it. We'll get it washed. I'll assemble it. I'll show you guys that. I have done that before, but just so that it keeps it all together with that build per se, for you guys that want to see the whole process on that. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.